This afternoon, an estimated 500 protesters gathered outside of the Johnson County Courthouse in Warrensburg, Missouri for No King's Day. This protest is part of a larger national movement that's organized to reject local, state, and federal officials' recent actions. Ciafullo is the event organizer and founder of Burg Resist. Burg Resist is a local community coalition that focuses on educating, empowering, and organizing the Warrensburg community. Ciafullo highlights the motivation for organizing today's demonstration.
Burg Resist was formed at the end of February. I did a one-man protest out here at the courthouse, and I think what it did is inspire other people to be here, and they've been here ever since. But we're here to defend the democracy. We're here to defend the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. And we're here to oppose a repressive authoritarian regime that's in the making. I mean, this is about our 9th or 10th event in the last 9 or 10 months. Whenever we piggyback on a national event, it usually triples our crowd. We've had as few as 75 people out here and as much as 500. Probably had 500 people out here again today.
Speakers delivered speeches in front of the Johnson County Courthouse, including University of Central Missouri professor Aaron Scully.
We do not want authoritarianism. We do not want a dictator. We do not want a king.
Raymond James with Johnson County Democrats came out to gather signatures for petitions and help people register to vote.
You don't have to be rich. You don't have to be, a college graduate. You don't have to be an old guy like I am. You just have to have a desire to want things like you want, talk to a lot of your friends, get busy, get to doing it. As you look around the crowd, we got retired teachers, we got small business owners, current active teachers from the university, retired Army people like myself, lots of veterans.
Emily Wales, president and CEO of Planned Parenthood Great Plains, delivered a speech at today's protest. She highlights the importance of protests for the community.
This is really meaningful because I know at its core that Warrensburg, Johnson County, the surrounding communities, they care deeply about their neighbors. They want people to be respected and treated with dignity. And this is the community I grew up in. It's the one I know, not one that is undermining citizens' petitions or not respecting voters' choices. This is real Missouri to me.
Over 2,500 protests like this took place today across all 50 states. I'm Linda Alviar, and this is Central News with 100.3 KMUL.